Hello guys, what's good? It's me here, it's Jeff. It's not your carpenter. I'm not a carpenter, let's just say that, but I'm doing my best because, well, we all know Willow was in a wheelchair and she butt scoots and stuff, and well, our wheelchair doesn't work the best in big gravel, which is what we have out back here and stuff. It's beautiful out back here, but it was, I don't know, I wanted a little deck. Price of wood and all that, I mean, we could buy and do it, but we just didn't really want to buy all new. It would have cost, like, honestly, $4,000 probably, no joke, I think. And to do what we want to do, I still gonna have to buy some. We just haven't bought any yet. So here, what's up? The 2x6 for the frame is all reused, all of those, and all the cement bricks are reused. Only thing we've bought is screws. And all these deck boards, there's still a fair amount over there. So we may have enough of those to get the deck down, but also we are putting a fence along there, and I'm probably there to cut down a lot of this draft that goes right through here. And over there where the barbecue is, I don't know what we're gonna do there yet. Probably gonna build something new or raise that up or something, make it look a lot better than that does, I think. But yeah. Anyways, that's what's up. This isn't screwed down. I've just been cutting them today. Like I said, they're reused, so I'm cutting off the ends, making them square, cutting off the old screw holes. Gonna pressure wash them. Bada bing, bada boom, it'll look good. Anyways, that's what's up. I thought I'd let y'all know. Just trying to make more content and all of that stuff. See if I can break my neck on this. There's the pool, the cover looking pathetic, but the water's looking clear. Alright, that's pretty cool, eh? It's gonna be pretty cool, I think. Anyways. That's where my radio went, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Better than no deck, right? That's what I'm thinking. Willow likes it. She can butt scoot. We'll set up more toys out back here. Go in the pool, out of the pool, a little fence. It'll be cool that way. Anyways, we spend so much time outside, it'll be just as cool. Before I go in here, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and you do the do.